Who was Homo erectus? Homo erectus is one of the most successful species of hominid ever discovered. Discovered in 1891, Homo erectus lived from around 1.9 million years ago all the way to 110,000 years ago. To put that in perspective, modern Homo sapiens, us, have only been around for around 300,000 years. In that time, Homo erectus wandered far and wide, making their way all the way to China and Java, an island in Indonesia where the first fossils of the species were discovered, as well as Europe and Africa. But what makes them unique? Well, while the species is pretty anatomically similar to Homo sapiens, there are some substantial differences, especially when it comes down to the head and face. While many fascinating specimens of the species have been discovered, most of what has been found are just skulls and teeth. What little other bones have been found indicate that the species has very similar proportions to us, being upright and possibly reaching 6 feet tall, but the heads are where we found the most substantial differences. They had much more pronounced brow ridges, and their faces were less flat than ours, but possibly the most interesting feature of their skulls are the size of their brain case. While still smaller than our average brain case size of 1,350 cc's, their 900 to 1,000 cc skulls are drastically bigger than our earlier relatives like Australopithecus, which only had 440 cc's. While they never reached the technological heights that we did, Homo erectus was doubtlessly an ingenuitive and adaptable species to have survived in as many environments and as long as it did, and is certainly an important part of our quest to learn more about what it means to be human.